Hey angels, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to pluck your lace wig and how to create baby hairs. First you want to start off just by spraying the wig down with some water. This is like a regular spray bottle that you get from your local beauty supply store, and as you can see I am just parting it and taking out the baby hairs at first, and then you want to go like a little behind the hairline and you want to part that part out too. So you just separate that section as you see me doing here, and I'm going to do the same to both sides. Everything works best if it's wet, so you're going to notice that I'm going to keep spraying the unit down. Take this whole lot of body foaming mousse. I love this foaming mousse because it doesn't allow the hair to get crunchy or hard. It just keeps the hair really soft and easy to work with. As you can see, I'm taking my tweezers and I'm plucking right behind that hairline, and just do it exactly how you see me doing it. I'm just pretty much plucking on an angle, and be careful guys not to pluck any holes in your lace. You just kind of want to strip that hair down on an angle. If you feel like the lace is pulling up, like yanking, then there's a possibility you're going to get a hole. So don't do that. Just keep shredding it. I'm saying like shredding because it's kind of basically what you're doing. You're just shredding it on an angle. And that's all you're pretty much doing. And you want to see that hair coming out little by little. You don't want it coming out in like huge clumps or anything like that. So this is pretty much very repetitive. And I'm speeding this up, but guys, you have to take your time with it. As you can see, as I keep plucking it, you'll start to see spaces being created, and that is going to give you more of a natural look with your wig. So you see me just put that head back some, and I'm just plucking it, and then I'm going to be plucking downward on that front hairline. And be careful with this front hairline. You just want to pluck that a little bit just to thin out that section so it looks more natural. Because obviously your hairline is not really thick and full. So you want it to mimic a natural hairline, and that's pretty much what we're doing. So everything here is just really redundant. And I'm going to be plucking downward. Then you're going to see me start to like section that hair off. And just continue to pluck. You got to just work your way through it. There's really no fast way of doing it. The more you just take your time at it and just shred that hair, you'll just actually thin it out really naturally. And the wig will lay, honey. Lay so naturally that people will be like, girl, what lace? So here I'm spraying it down. And as you can see, this side is like pretty much to my liking. It's not thin and balding, but you can see it has those spaces like more of a natural hairline. So now I'm going to start working on the other side, which I did off camera. So now I'm moving right along. I was just showing you guys what one side looks while it's done and how the other side looks when it's not plucked. This side has more spaces and grooves in it, and then this side over here is already plucked. But in the previous clip, you guys would have seen that it was thicker on that side. So moving right along, we're just going to pull this little baby hair section down, and we're actually going to be trimming some baby hairs. This unit actually came with some what is this, a full lace wig? Yeah, this full lace wig actually came with some baby hairs, but they were really small, and I was like super thin, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna cut some more baby hairs in here before we actually start swooping it out. So you just basically want to spray it down and then put that foaming mousse on it to keep that hair line separated from the rest of the wig so that you're not cutting any of the hair. Then you just want to section it off in pieces, and you want to use your razor, and you don't want to cut straight across. You want to cut like downward and on an angle. So I'm pretty much shaving it, as you can see. It's going to make the baby hairs look more natural, so you just shave it down, and then we're going to be moving right along to the other side. My voiceovers is so funny. Oh, God. Keep up, angels. Keep up. You guys know how crazy I am. So, moving right along, we're going to shave this side down. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to be moving into plucking some of this hairline. This is just going to thin it out a little bit so it looks more natural and it's not all like thick when you go to swoop it. But put the foaming mousse on it, and now we're going to take our edge brush and start swooping it. Swoop it to your liking. Oh, trust me, guys, this takes a little bit of time and practice. But swoop it, and then you're going to put your scarf on it, and then, girl, you are done. Your wig should be natural and laid and slayed. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.